Hi guys, welcome to Rozbeh Mobile. Today I unboxing Xbox One X. This one is the new series and the latest model. The storage is also have 1 TB and 4K Blue array and 4K Ultra HD and also the HDR is available. This one is United Arabic stock in Emirates. You can see it also have two language, exactly English and Arabic, and also so beautiful. Let's go for unboxing. Wow. First of all, have the small box for accessories. Inside this one HDMI cable to side connect to the Xbox and to the TV, and also monitor. This one inside is have one joystick from the company. Xbox is coming inside the box one joystick. If you need extra joystick, you need to buy that one extra. And that one is the charger cable. You can see that's the normal 3-pin, and this one USB, and also you can connect for the joystick charger. Exactly for this one coming for joystick charger, because this joystick is a wireless joystick, and also you can need to this one you need to charge. Sorry for this. Wow. This one Xbox One X series latest model. Wow, you can see it's not heavy and so beautiful, and also the looking beautiful. Wow, this one is the power button, and this one for CD and DVD room. You can put CD and DVD room on that one for the connecting charging base in HDMI, and also have a inside cable, outside cable, and also for headphones. That one for Wi-Fi connection. First cam, first stick, available in Rozbeh Mobile. Good luck.